Hey guys, this is Lynn from In the Kitchen with Lynn. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers for joining me, and also my returning subscribers, thank you for coming again. For those of you who are viewing, just go subscribe, like my video, share me out, leave me a nice comment, and don't you forget to click that notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload another video. So today I'm making a creamy coconut chicken breast, and this is an easy, simple, yet delicious recipe for dinner. You can see how the sauce is creamy and nice. Over here I have 2 large chicken breasts that I did wash, soak with some lemon, salt and vinegar and pepper, and I did pat dry them with a paper towel. So now I'm poking some holes into the breast just so that they will take the seasoning well. Now I'll add them into your dish. Then I'm going to add some salt. Flip them over and repeat the same. Now I'll add some black pepper. Flip them over and repeat the same. So guys, kindly check the description box below and you will have all details listed below. I have some 5-spice powder that I'm adding onto the chicken breast, some cumin powder. This cumin powder brings out the flavor, guys. I'm also adding some tomato sauce, some yogurt. This is a combination of mixed seasonings that I will list below in the description box. It has all the flavors you can think about, alright? Now I'm adding some red chili flakes, some turmeric powder, and I did mix some sour cream and milk because we want to soak the chicken breast into this, alright, mixture. Now I'm adding some garlic, ginger, some lemon juice, and I'll just mix them up well, make sure it's well coated. Sprinkle some paprika over the top, cover with cling wrap, place into the refrigerator and let it sit for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, guys, I have my cast iron skillet over high heat because you want the pan to be extremely hot. I'm going to make sure I get most of the sauce out from the chicken breast, and then I'll place it onto my smoking hot cast iron grill pan. I'm using this cast iron grill pan because I just like to see the marks, and at the same time it retains a lot of heat, so it helps to cook the chicken breast faster. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of oil. I did place some oil before, guys, sorry I did not mention that before. And let this cook for 4 minutes on each sides. Now I'm going to flip the chicken breast right over. And just press it just to get the marks. Let it cook again for another 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add some butter. And this butter is to give the chicken breast a lovely flavor, guys. Once I add the butter into here, I'm going to turn the heat off after 4 minutes and let this chicken breast stop right into this pan for another 5 minutes. Over medium heat, I have a pan and I just add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add 1 medium-sized red onion chopped, and you want to saute this for 1 minute. Add 3 cloves of garlic and saute them until the onion turns translucent. Now I'm going to add some cilantro and some celery into the pan along with a piece of rosemary. I just love rosemary. Rosemary, rosemary. Now I'm going to add some spinach leaves, and you can add as much as you want, all right? Saute them. I'm going to be using some coconut milk, and this brings in the flavor, guys. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. Along with some red chili flakes. Then add some dry thyme. Along with a little bit of salt. And remember to taste while you are cooking, guys. Let this come to a boil. While it is boiling there, here I have my chicken breast that I'm going to cut into some nice pieces. You can see that it's halfway through in cooking. Look how beautiful the breast is. Now I'm going to just make sure that I stir everything up. And guys, don't you forget, just taste as you go. So I'm adding some butter for additional flavor. And this sauce only take about 6 minutes to make because I did cook it on low heat. I just want to make sure that it comes down to a nice thicker consistency. Once it comes to a good boil, I'm going to add the chicken pieces. Just like so. Now I'm just going to make sure that the sauce gets all over the chicken pieces here. And let this cook again for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of cooking, I turn the heat off and let it sit in the pan again for another 2 minutes. Now I'm serving my creamy coconut chicken breast over some pasta. Just like this. And at this time you can see how creamy my coconut sauce is. Just pour it right over the chicken and the pasta, guys. And there you have it. You can also serve your creamy coconut chicken breast with some rice or potatoes. And this is an easy, simple dinner. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.